Bago ra bang alot si Mayor. Mayor is new haircut. You wanna see Brad Pitt? High bloods Mayor. Mayor, since you shower now and you look good, can we do TikTok? Mahal ang talent fee. Anong tawanan?
Hi, shout out to Tess Matado. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Danny and Eddie. Jimmy. Hi, hello, watching. Bye. Shout out to Mom Toyota. I'm Mom Face. Bye. Thank you.
Hi! Mag-build tayo ng ano guys, ng IKEA shelf. Ta-timelapse ko kayo. Kasi yan dyan sila, nag-start na kami ilang mag-build. Build tayo, build. Nawa raw, nawa ino-open pa namin yung box. Hey, be careful. Be careful, Francis. Ayan. Sariling sikap. Tapos, i-guide lang kami ni Frank. Oh, kami yung magbibuild. Lola, sige. Oh, mayroon tayong Elsa dyan. Si Elsa, tumutulong si Elsa. Gusto niyan, tinatawag siya ng Elsa. Din ang isa, hastang Hypera. Oh, build namin.
Okay,
Partig? Okay. Sige, guys. Mag-build muna kami, guys.
This must be the other's room.
Okay. Wait. Tingnan nyo guys, drawer na lang kulang guys. Ayun, may salamin oh. Hi guys.
Can I go and get a t-shirt?
Hi. Naligo si Frank. Tapos wala pa siyang damit, t-shirt. Si Ilag yun ang gumawa tanan guys. Ako hindi ko to kaya ang mga ganito ba. I think only the best smart people can do this. Pang body's hiding there. You wanna see what is in there? You can see the shadow. Francis, who's there, Francis? Who is there? Papa? Papa is there? Kumakain ng apple. Ayan oh, drawer na ang gagawin ni Ila. Si Ila magaling ng mga ganito guys. Pag mga IKEA, magaling siya mag-build. Pwede na siya mag-engineer. Engineer or carpenter. Panday lang kaday. Yung kurso, panday. Panday. Panday lagi. Technique? Yeah, but on technique, dili man kay IKEA ra inyong i-build. In technique, you also do electricity, baby. Ayaw talaga niya. Bago ra bang alot si Mayor. Mayor is new haircut. You wanna see Brad Pitt?
Stop. Stop now. Stop now.
Ay, bye. Okay, I gotta. Okay. Yeah, but
Not like this.
But my last other video, you have no t-shirt on too.
Yeah, that's shit. It's small.
That's mine,
It
and I
should
know.
be yours.
High blood's mayor.
Yeah.
Francis, don't go in, yeah. Yeah, sit down, yeah. If you do like that, just sit. I will let you be here.
Ouch.
Yeah, sit only. Sit only. Ah, pugi ni Mayor, guys, oh. So, pugi, guys. Oh, naka-red. Valentine's Day. Oop. Slowly. Kaon yan ng apple ba?
Careful that it doesn't fall down. I have to lay it down now. You know, wait there.
Francis. He knows I'm filming. Mayor, since you shower now and you look good, can we do TikTok?
I don't think so.
Mahal ang talent fee. Anong tawanan? Expensive toyer talent fee. Draw halaga. I think this not gonna fit there, baby. No, I gonna change my kuan now. Set up there. Ay.
It's not gonna fit there.
Cause it's look at the mirror is high. Wait. Ilagay ko lang siya dyan. Yan. May drawer. Ginawa ko siyang closet ng aking mga maliliit na kuan ba. Yung t-shirts. Tapos, ayan. Maliliit. Mga shorts, sandals. Ayan, yung mga liliit na mga damit. Dyan ko lang nilagay. Ayan. Tapos na din. Maganda to siya kasi may mirror. Tapos may lagayan ng jewelry. Ayan. Diyan lang muna yan siya.